This video shows you how to install the Bookkeeper add-on for Google Sheets. Open Google Sheets and select Get Add-ons from the Extensions menu. Search for Bookkeeper on the Marketplace. Select Bookkeeper and install the add-on. The installation requires you to authenticate with your user and allow Bookkeeper to use the listed scopes. Done. The Bookkeeper add-on is now available on the Extensions menu in all your Google Sheets. The first time you open the add-on, you will have to authenticate and allow access to your data on Bookkeeper. That's it. Select your book to record transactions and to fetch balance values from Bookkeeper. Leave your questions in the comments and subscribe for frequent video tutorial updates.